The focus of this video will be the monthly reports and help the Simplus Construction Manager generate a monthly report using both VPO and Microsoft Word. So to get started, you want to get into VPO, click on the Project Information tab, make sure all the information within your tab, contacts, the profile description, project profile, picture, and a logo. Make sure all these little things are correct before starting your monthly report in Word, because when you create this report from Microsoft Word, it's going to merge most of the information from VPO, including the project information. It's going to merge some contracts information, things like that, into your monthly report once you begin creating that. So once you've confirmed that your project information and all your VPO data is correct, you're going to go into Microsoft Word, open a blank document, and then you're going to notice a Create VPO Report in the top right here. So if you click on that, first it's going to ask you to sign in, where you basically just put your username and password. And then you're going to get an option to select either monthly report or project profile. So go ahead and click monthly report. You're creating a new monthly report. Please select an action. So this is where you click on the drop down, and you're basically just going to go down the list here. So starting with create new report, you're going to click on that, select yes, and this is going to build a template within this Microsoft document. So again, like I said, all your project information is going to be merged over here, so that's why you're going to make sure that's all correct first. So the next option in our drop down would be to select a project. So here you're going to see a list of all Simplus projects, in which you can select which one you're working on. You're creating a monthly report for Alinda. Use the menu above to merge the data and insert photos. Again, click up on the drop down, merge project information, click yes, and you'll notice that the owner, client, end user, all this stuff over here in the blue headings was brought over. You'll notice my project profile picture was inserted right here, and you'll also notice the scope of work was updated. As you scroll through this monthly report, you'll notice several tables that you can update on your own. You'll notice some of the contract change order stuff was carried over. The statement of calendar days or statement of working days in which you're updating in VPO was carried over. So there's a lot of different things that are carried over from VPO, so make sure that's all correct before you start generating this report. Once all the information from VPO has been merged into your Microsoft Word document, you can start formatting it and tailoring it to how you want your monthly report to look. So you can start up here with the heading. If you want to put a different date in there, you put 10/1. I know in the past we've usually put the month for the report. Line that up a bit. This is an older picture, so if I want, I can also update this picture. You can just right click, change picture from file, have some pictures saved under a monthly report folder. We can expand the size if we want to fill in the gaps there. Do the justification, correct some formatting issues, etc. So As you go through your report again, you can kind of edit things how you want them to look and the format you want to use. Under the monthly focus, you'll include all the tasks that the contractor was working on that month. And I just noticed the justification for my text fields is all to the left, so I'm going to do a Control A, select everything, correct my justification. After I've completed my monthly focus, I'll continue formatting my report. So next I want to enter some pictures, so I'm going to delete this table here. I'm going to delete this table here and start adding pictures by selecting the Insert tab at the top. Insert the picture and go about finding the pictures you'd like to add to your report. The nice thing about merging the VPO data into a Word document is that you only have to update this Word document for your monthly report one time, and then after that you can just continue to update it each month after. Once you've finished uploading the pictures and labeling them within your monthly report, you can continue down to the significant developments table, which acts similar to a construction progress list of activities. This is where you can go into further detail of what you referenced above in the monthly focus section. To tailor my report, I basically separated the safety and the quality underneath, so let's do that. If we select the two columns, we can right click, delete columns. Now we can expand that. We can start entering any developments. I'm actually going to relabel this to construction progress. And I can cut and paste the previous progress from the month prior's report, and I can start editing that to what occurred in this most recent month. So again, I need to re-add the construction safety. By doing so, I can simply select the table over here or right click. I can do a copy and then right click again and you can paste it. This obviously isn't going to be construction progress anymore, so we'll delete that and we can change the heading to safety. At which point now you'll go through and list all the safety concerns or issues that were addressed throughout this month. And lastly, we can go back and re-enter the quality of construction table that we previously deleted. After the quality of construction has been entered, you'll see that we move down to the construction contract summary, which gives you a list of contract totals, original, current, how much of the work's been completed, how many days have elapsed from the projects, and also the current pay app and how much has been paid to date. Scrolling down to the next page, you have a cash flow section. This is similar to a detailed report of pay apps. So if you want this section here, you can list out each pay app, how much each of it was, and you'll see the total at the bottom here that was also reflected above right here. So again, you can kind of tailor this to make it fit, make it look cleaner, or relabel it.